Hi, this is Julius Washington from the Washington Group. We're out here in a featured community out here in Elgin, South Carolina. It's called the Ellington subdivision. This is a Mungo community, and we'll take a tour of the floor plan we have here today. It's called the Evans floor plan. This house is move-in ready. They're just looking for the perfect buyer to sign on the dotted line and say, hey, buy me. Okay, we'll take a walkthrough right now. First thing we'll look at is in the house is the little foyer area. You have the luxury vinyl plank flooring that's here. You look to your right, here's the laundry room, the washer and dryer already in there. See the flooring there and the shelving racks as well. Step a little bit more and then you go straight into the kitchen. Open concept, open floor plan, stainless steel appliances. Okay, with the electrical cooktop with the for the stove here, stainless steel as well. And then you have the quartz countertops, white shelving. Okay, another stainless steel microwave. And then we'll look inside here, which we have is the walk-in pantry. This house is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, about almost 1,800 square feet. Got the little deep sink here, split, separated. Here's your half bath that's here. Okay, with the little pedestal here for the sink. And then, of course, this is easy to close. You can close this up and have privacy. This is your access to your garage. Okay. And then you have the living space here. You got an eating area here, okay, that you can put a table here. And then you got the living space over here. All right. All right, so this house here, the unique feature, it has 4 bedrooms, but the master is on, or owner's suite is on the first floor. And here we enter into that. You can see carpeted. All right, spacious room there for you. Then you go into the bathroom. You have, again, luxury vinyl. You have the, looks like granite countertops here. Okay, and so what you have is dual vanity. Then over here, you have a separate garden tub, along with a tiled shower, glass shower. Nice little cutouts there where you can put your soap and your shampoo and all that. So that's a nice little feature there, a little cutout for you. Go into your walk-in closet, spacious enough. All right. We'll exit out of the master suite and head on and get ready to go upstairs to the rest of the house, to the rest of the home. Okay. Now we'll walk up the stairs and we'll go, it's carpeted with a nice little support rail there for your safety as you're coming up the house or down the house. And we'll take a look at each one of the bedroom sets up here. There should be 3 bedrooms. Here's bedroom number 2 upstairs. Okay. That little side door right there is for the access for, safe fire safety, so they can get into the attic in case there's fire. So it's a safety precaution. Here's bedroom number 3. Okay, walk around. And it's got a closet that's literally, oh wow, it's a walk-in closet. As you can see, you can walk in here. This is bedroom number 3. Okay, a little pleasant surprise there, give you a little room. Going to bedroom number 4, similar in size to bedroom number 3. And again, they give you little walk-in closets. So a little bit more spacious, different concept here. Let's turn the lights on. Ooh, and they give you lights in here because sometimes you go into these houses and you won't have lighting in the closet. For some reason, they decide to do that. Okay. And here is your swivel a little bit. The bathroom. All right. You have more of your countertops, hard surface. Okay, with one single vanity. And then you have your toilet and a combo shower and tub. Okay, your combo. So that's it pretty much for this tour of the home. We got one more closet in here, and that's your linen closet up here. Okay, so if you like this video, I'd ask you that you would hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, click on the notifications. That will help our algorithms on our YouTube page. And if you're thinking about buying in this current market here in the Elgin subdivision, or let's say you want to move into the Elgin community, this is a great community to consider. I would love to help you. Feel free to reach out to me via email, text, WhatsApp, YouTube page, Instagram. I've got them all. I would love to have a conversation with you and tell you about the type of services that I can provide to you and make this a smooth process for you. This is Julius Washington signing out.